Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare capsicum chicken. The ingredients that I required are chicken, capsicum, onion, tomato, green chilies, coriander leaves, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt, and here I have made a spice paste with ginger, garlic, cumin seeds and coriander seeds. Apart from all these ingredients, we are going to use oil for cooking and water. So now let's start cooking. So first we'll heat oil. I am using mustard oil. Then we'll add the chicken pieces. Fry the chicken for some time. The chicken is done. We'll add the spices. This is the spice paste that we have made: ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander. We'll add little water. Salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, green chilies, we'll cook this chicken for some time in this spice gravy. We'll add little water because the chicken needs to get cooked. We'll close the lid and let it get cooked for some time. We'll open the lid and we'll see. So now it has formed into a thick gravy. So we are adding the capsicum, onion, cover this for some time so that the capsicum gets cooked. So we'll open the lid and we'll see it has become dried. It's almost done. Now we'll sprinkle little coriander leaves. So it is done. We'll transfer it to another bowl. So here is our capsicum chicken ready. I hope you liked my recipe. For more of my recipes, you can visit my website, which is www.susanrecipes.com. Please subscribe to my channel and do leave your valuable comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.